Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you a step-by-step procedure to make a beautiful infographic slide for your presentation. This tutorial will be especially useful for those preparing slides for their research, thesis, or project presentations. You can use this technique to demonstrate a process or to showcase a summary of your research work in a clear and visually appealing way. Let's start by opening PowerPoint. Once you're in, change the slide layout to blank. Now go to the Insert tab, click on Shapes, and select a rectangle. Draw the rectangle on your slide. Next, right-click on the rectangle and select Format Shape. A panel will appear on the right side of your screen. Under Shape Options, go to the Fill section and choose the color white. Then go to the Line section and select No Outline. After that, click on the Effects icon, the pentagon symbol. Under Shadow, choose Offset Right. Increase the transparency and size slightly to make the shadow softer and more natural. Now you'll notice a subtle shadow effect around your rectangle, but you might see shadows on the top and bottom edges too. Let's fix that. To hide the unwanted top and bottom shadows, insert another rectangle and place it just above the first one. Change its color to white and select No Outline again. Now insert a small circle and place it on the upper right corner of the main rectangle. Fill it with white color, set No Outline, and apply the offset. Right shadow effect again. This will give your design a modern layered look. Next, insert another small rectangle above the previous one, but this time make it slightly smaller in height. Then, insert two more rectangles, one at the top and one at the bottom of your slide. Now, select all three shapes together, the top, middle, and bottom rectangles, and fill them with a vibrant color of your choice. Also, remove the outlines. Now, select everything on the slide and copy the entire set 3 times to the right side so that you have 4 identical sets in total. This is the most crucial part. Choose your color palette carefully. Apply different vibrant colors to each of the 4 sets so that your infographic looks engaging and draws your audience's attention. Next, insert one more rectangle on the far right side of your slide. Give it a solid, attractive color and remove the outline. This rectangle will act as a sidebar or highlight area for your text. Once you're happy with the arrangement, select all shapes and apply a shadow effect to give the slide depth and dimension. Now, duplicate the slide you've just created. Go to the first slide and delete all shapes except the right side rectangle. Resize this rectangle so that it covers the entire slide area. This will become your title slide. Inside this rectangle, insert a text box and write the title of your presentation. Adjust the font style, size, and color to make it bold and clear. Then, copy the same title text and paste it into the next slide inside the right side rectangle. Rotate this text 270 degrees to make it vertical and apply a shadow effect for added style. Now it's time to add content. Insert 4 icons and place each one inside the small colorful circles you created earlier. These icons can represent different stages, steps, or themes of your presentation. Then, insert body text boxes beside each icon to describe each point briefly. Use a clean, readable font. You can try a gradient color for the text to make it look more aesthetic and modern. Now comes the fun part, animation. First, select the first set of shapes, except the top and bottom rectangles and any text. Group the selected ones by right-clicking and choosing Group. Then, send the group to the back. Repeat the same process for the other 3 sets of shapes. Next, select both slides and apply the morph transition. This will create a smooth slide-to-slide animation effect. After that, Select all 4 grouped shape sets and apply a fly in animation. From the effect options, choose from left. Increase the duration a bit and set a bounce end effect for a dynamic finish. Also, set the animation to start with previous. Now, select the top rectangles with text and apply a fly in animation from bottom with the same duration and bounce end settings. Do the same for the bottom rectangles, but this time choose the from top direction. Finally, select the body texts and apply a wipe animation from top. Set them to start after previous so they appear in sequence. If you want all the text to appear together, change their start option to with previous. And you're done. You've successfully created a dynamic, colorful infographic slide with smooth animations and professional design. This technique will greatly enhance your presentation making skills and make your slides visually appealing and easy to follow. If you found this tutorial helpful, check out my other PowerPoint design videos to become a pro at presentation design. And finally, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this.